Help Desk Migration Service facilitates customer data transfer across multiple help and service desks, ticketing systems, and ITSM solutions. You don't need coding or specific knowledge to import your data from Lansweeper. Just back up your Lansweeper database and set up your data migration. Let's see Help Desk Migration in more detail. The process boils down to a few simple steps. Sign up for Migration Wizard and create your Help Desk account. This way, you can set up a free demo to the migration service and adjust data field mapping and other options. To connect your Lansweeper account, you need to upload a ZIP file backup. Use Dropbox, Google Drive, or OneDrive for backup copies up to 1 GB. If your files store more bytes of data, use Browse Files to upload them. From the list of supported platforms, pick your target platform and fill in the access credentials. Then choose the data you want to import from Lansweeper. Here, match groups and agents, map ticket and article fields. Start with group matching. Here, you can also create missing groups and choose a default group. Use the same workflow for mapping your agents. Match agent profiles, select a default agent if you have inactive agents, and add the missing profiles. Then, proceed to ticket mapping. You can map ticket fields simply by choosing the corresponding fields on the target platform. The Migration Wizard helps you to match default and custom fields to keep all data relations in place. Then, map knowledge base article fields. Need some minor customizations? Select from the pre-built automated options and adjust your demo migration effortlessly. The available customization options depend on your source and target platforms. Finally, click on Continue to import Lansweeper data, and within minutes, check the results of demo migration. Be sure to take a look at the demo results and price breakdown of your full migration to know exactly what are you going to pay for. If need some changes, tune up your mapping and rerun your demo again. If the results work for you, then start your full migration. Keep your customer service ongoing without the downtime and leave your Lansweeper export to the Help Desk Migration Service.